Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Birds with Abbas. Today we are checking on our lovely birds. After the rain, we make sure they are safe, dry, and happy on the rooftop. Which SA feed them fresh food and water, cover their cages, and take special care during this rainy weather. In this video, you will also learn important tips and precautions for bird care in the rainy season, including how to keep cages dry, provide warmth, and protect your bird from sickness. Bird needs extra love and attention during rain, and we make sure they get everything they need to stay healthy and stress free. Watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, care tips, and lovely moments. We have just opened the ducks enclosure, and as you can see, they are roaming around freely, enjoying the fresh morning air. The weather is absolutely beautiful and our ducks are so happy and active. Can you hear their voices? The gentle quacking sounds so sweet and peaceful this early in the morning. It's such a joy to watch them exploring, playing, enjoying their freedom. Truly, these are the best moments that make bird keeping so special. And now it's time to free the turkey bird that we had kept inside its cage. Yes, the moment has come to open it and let it roam freely. After this, we will head towards the enclosure where many other birds are waiting inside. One by one, we will open their cages too and give them the freedom to enjoy this beautiful weather. Stay with us as we share these lovely moments of happiness with our birds. Turkey birds are large, intelligent, and very social creatures. They are known for their colorful feathers, bright red petals, and friendly behavior. Turkey love to stay in groups and are very curious about their surroundings. In terms of diet, turkeys enjoy grains, seeds, vegetables, and protein-rich food, which keeps them strong and healthy. They also need clean water and a safe environment, especially during rainy weathers, because sudden dampness can make them sick. Turkeys are also great communicators. They make different sounds to express themselves, and their famous gobble is one of the most unique bird calls in the world. With proper care, shelter, and food, turkeys can live happily and stay active for many years. Now it's time to see our ducks. They are so happy and enjoying themselves as they move around freely. The fresh weather has made them even more active and playful. Just look at how peacefully they are roaming and wagging their tails with joy. Now the ducks are heading towards their food. It's always so lovely to watch them gather together at feeding time. Their gentle quacking and the way they dip their heads to eat looks so adorable. Ducks truly enjoy simple moments like this, roaming, playing, and then happily sharing their meal. Watching them eat and enjoy is not only relaxing but also a reminder of how important it is to care for these beautiful birds with love and attention. So this was today's video, and I hope you really enjoyed watching our lovely birds from the turkeys to the ducks. It's always such a joy to share these happy and peaceful moments with you. Taking care of them, feeding them, and watching them enjoy their time truly brings happiness to the heart. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Bird Tales with a Buzz. Inshallah, we will back very soon with another interesting video for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.